Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A31 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the location tags of the picture we have to move to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the left corner. When we tap on this, we get access to the camera settings. And from here, let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. As you can see here, we have a location tags option. So by using this button, we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. So this is how it works here, and also the important information is that when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, to make it work correctly, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep this turned on, and let's go back to the camera and take a picture to check its location. And let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this, we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. When we slide it a little bit down, we get access to the details, as you can see, and here we have the location tags with map. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.